Hello everybody, what's going on? Calvin Rogers here, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Cash App system, do a little review, and let you know what it's about. All right. So what it is, now Cash App system is pretty much another payment processing system. Okay, and almost like PayPal, except payments for products and things of that sort. And we all know that sometimes PayPal can shut your account down, your money is on hold and everything else. All right. So with Cash App, you pay instantly to your account. You don't have to worry about your account being shut down and any of that. Okay. So it's another payment processing system. And the Cash App system is $27. Okay. So I know you're probably thinking, well, Cash App is free. What am I paying $27 for? Glad you asked. Let me show you. All right. Now you see this here? This page that we're actually on. Okay. This is actually a system. All right. And with this system, when you pay $27, you get resale rights to the system. Okay. So you get a page automatically just like this with resale rights where you're able to sell the page for $27. Okay. And if somebody else would like to join, they'll pay you $27. You're selling the resale rights, and then they'll have access and resale rights to sell it to someone else. Okay? So that's what you're paying for. You are not paying for the Cash App. Cash App is free to download. Okay? Just make sure we have a clear understanding of that. Alright, so what you want to do, this system was actually created by Bones Rodriguez, who is an actor, online marketer, right here. Okay, he's the actual owner of the system. In this video, he pretty much just, you can watch it on your own time. I'm not gonna play it, but he pretty much, pretty much said the same thing I just told you how PayPal is, and this is pretty much a replacement of it. Okay. He had accounts that's been canceled. Well, nobody want to go through that. You use your money and is unavailable to you, this, that, and the third. All right, nobody got time for that. So with the Cash App system, you'll be paid directly to your Cash App, and from Cash App, you're able to use the Cash App debit card or send the money to your bank account. All right. So this is the whole page. Now, the first thing you do, if you already have Cash App, you start at step 2, okay? If you do not have Cash App, you start at step 1. Then you download the Cash App, get it all set up, all right? Once you do that, you come back here to step 2, all right? Once you click on that, this is where you're going to send the $27 to, all right? Which once you click on the link is automatic, all right? So if you're joining me, I'm your sponsor, the person who referred you. This is what you should send them to me, the 27 to the page account, all right? And that's pretty much the whole system. But once you do that, you go to 3. Excuse me. There's over there. And once you do that, you come here. Now you're going to use the same email address that you signed up with Cash App for. The same email that you used signed up for this, okay? And once your email is confirmed, you'll receive an email from Bones, all right? Welcoming you to the system and your information to access your system, all right? And if you keep going down, oh well, this is the sales page, so. But you'll have access to mobile money 2019. I haven't gotten into none of that stuff yet. The YouTube money machine show you how to make money online with YouTube videos. And 3 more apps you can make money with. Okay. So this is everything that you get with that $27. So you get resale rights, you get these extra courses, and you'll actually be shown the way to start making instant payments of $27. Well, to receive instant payments of $27. All right, that's 100% commission for you. You don't have to wait for anybody to pay you out. Anything comes right to your Cash App. All right, it's simple. Just follow the directions. It's straight to the chase, straight to the point, no chase. All right. So that's the Cash App system. It's automated. Right under the video, here's my link. You want to join with me? Go ahead and do that. Also, if you join with me, I have a system that I'm using as well. That I actually give you access to, and so you can see how that works. All right. So later, guys. Oh, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell button. That way, when I put out a new video, you'll be notified. You won't miss anything. So until then, guys, this is Calvin Rogers. Take care.